Alrighty, hello everyone and welcome back to Jujutsu Kaisen. Last we saw Nanami and Hyoji get ready to fight off Mahito. Now Nanami is going to essentially hurt Mahito, whereas Yuji is going to hit him. Bam bam boom. And essentially get rid of him because I'm pretty sure Mahito is going to end up dying. Talking about dying, I feel sad for Junpei. I don't know why I was internally hoping that somehow they're going to be able to save him, but I don't think that's going to be the case, which sucks because that boy deserved some redemption and some grace. I'm excited to see this final battle. I genuinely can't help but wonder. I can't help but wonder what this world could be if we all held each other with a bit more empathy. No, but I can't help but wonder if Geto was aware that Yuji can attack Mahito and get rid of Mahito, because Mahito essentially is like a kid in this scenario. He is quite new to this world. Maybe Geto was aware of the fact that Mahito could be hit by Yuji because Yuji is a vessel. I don't know how far he has thought this through. Because if he is aware, it makes me wonder, is it just a basic lack of empathy? Is that what happened with his forehead stitches thingy? Like, that's what made him evil? A lack of empathy and caring for anyone and everyone around him, which could be a solid possibility now that I'm thinking about it. Or is it just the fact that he has multiple curses and he doesn't really care? Like, I lose one, I get like 20 more curses. So what's the end game plan here? How far has he thought this through? And how much is he manipulating this whole game? I am excited to see that. Let's actually watch this fight. I am hyped for it. I've been waiting for it. Let's get into it. That was such a kid's way of going about things. I will keep an eye on Itadori Yuji. Like, instead, just if you have that many body parts to spare, can't you just have a floating eye that is going to float around Yuji and keep a sense of what's happening, as opposed to keeping one hand deactivated completely because you're keeping an eye on him? It's better at that point to just keep an eye on him directly as opposed to doing all of this stuff. Maybe make it a floating eye is all I'm saying, okay? He's literally a kid and is having a lot of fun, and you know what, I'm here for it. Have as much fun as you can before you die. I was honestly like, why are you jumping in between them as they are fighting? Like, usually people would jump above. He's jumping in between them, but he also got out unscathed. So crazy. What's Nanami be hugging Yuji like, boy, I told you to hurt him. Why are you hugging me? Because you're like a father to me.
奴は形を変える直前。
知力のためがある。
よろしい。
単発のガキを殺せ。
That was a good tactic to send the humans towards Yuji. I don't know how much he's aware of the fact that Yuji would be hesitant to kill the transfigured humans, because that was a good tactic. I don't know if he'll be able to get rid of them or not. Like, ideally speaking, he would be like, yeah, you know what, let me at least end their suffering. What if Junpei is still alive and he's going to come out of the window and smash the transfigured humans? Be like, this is my final favor to you, because you spent some time with me and understood me and knew how I felt. Thank you for trying to save me. That sucks. I did not want to see that. Oof. I am pretty sure he is going to get rid of the humans just to end their misery, though. It's not about being a fool, it's about being strong in your ideals no matter what. And at the end of the day, it also means being contradictory to your own ideals, because that's what it means to be human. Sucks. Mahito, you bitch. What if, like, at the most he just tied them up somehow and kept them somewhere? Crazy that death and the final energy boost you sometimes get before death is what inspired him to do his domain expansion. Ooh, I also loved it. The hands and all of that jazz. Ooh, that was pretty. That was pretty cool. Really cool domain expansion. All I can think of though is what Gojo thought Yuji, that if you do your own domain expansion and it is stronger than that of your opponent, you can pull them into your own domain expansion. So can Nanami do one and can Yuji do one? Oh, that would be wild. What if Yuji does one? Or what if, listen, I know I hate him, okay? But what if Yuji gives control over to Sukuna or Sukuna takes over control, does the domain expansion, gets rid of Mahito? Wild it would be. I don't know why he would do the domain expansion, because he's kind of neutral about Mahito. Maybe Mahito, in his desperation as his fighting of Yuji, tries to manipulate Yuji's soul again, and that is what is going to make Sukuna get pissed off and take over and get rid of him. Could be possible, but I do want to see Nanami's domain expansion if he does have one. Or Yuji, if Yuji has already figured that out. Would be cool. I haven't been seeing the intro, but did the intro change? It felt like the intro changed to give us Junpei and Itadori together as he cries at the very end.
なんでナナミンだけ閉じ込められた？このままじゃ
Yo, that's clever, because he knows that Nanami can't physically hurt him. Like, at the most, he can break off his body parts, but that's about it. And so, he just sealed Nanami inside. Oh, that's crazy. I'm here for it. Shut up. That's really good. I really want to see Nanami's domain expansion. I don't want to see him dying yet, is all I am saying, okay? Just want to see more of him before I get fully attached to him. I already like him a lot. I just made a daddy joke at the start of this episode. Don't kill him off yet.
私の到達できなかった呪術の極致。呪術師はクソだ。他人のために命を投げ出す覚悟を時として仲間に強要しなければならない。というより逃げた。
好きなんですか？カスクート。
Don't give me the backstory. Did I ask for the backstory? Is this you guys being like, oh, you wanted to get attached to him more, right? Here, get attached. If he dies, I am revolting, okay? Not yet.
近所のコンビニで売られなくなってしまって。
美味しいでしょう、コンビニのより。
そりゃ、パン屋ですから。
うわ、辛口。
下手に処理してへんてこ霊媒師と思われても面倒だ。
Still get rid of it. Get rid of it. I don't want a curse hanging around my body. Don't just... It's okay. I think you're weird, but I'd also be grateful for you if I don't end up dying.
ななみ、そんなお堅い話ばっかりするな。チュリンがビビっちまうだろ。
3、40歳までに適当に稼いで、あとは、物価の安い国でふらふらと人生を謳歌する。
That's the dream, eh? I don't know how much that dream can be a reality. Not just for him because he obviously came back, but also for a lot of us with the way life is going recently. It's chaotic, y'all.
呪いも他人も金さえあれば無縁でいられる。
ちゃんと寝れてます？
疲れが溜まっているように見えますが。
最近なんか肩が重いというか。
I love that direction where it went from bright to dark because he's exhausted by everything around him. And I am pretty sure that the fly head has become like a huge weight on top of her. He's going to save her. She's going to think he's a weirdo and report him or some nonsense like that, and then he's going to go back to being a jujutsu sorcerer. Or she's going to end up dying. Dun da da.
でも、なぜかそういう人間のサイクルを外れた私のような仕事の方が金払いが良かったりする。
自慢？
違います。一歩前へ出てもらえますか？肩、どうですか？
はい。あれ？軽い！
I don't know why he made that big of a deal when it came to being like, it would be a bigger deal to get rid of it and make her think I'm a weirdo, because he could have just been like, there was a fly here, never mind, I got it. He hardly had to do anything, okay? Like, no, I get what he's trying to say, curses and people don't matter to me and all of that jazz. Absolutely get it, 120% get it. But also at the same time, the logical reasoning he gave us earlier was the fact that it would be a bigger deal if she thinks I'm a weirdo. Whatever, man, whatever. At least he got rid of the fly head.
もしもし、ナナミです。お話があります。ええ、明日にでも高専に伺い、何を笑ってるんですか？
Pretty sure Gojo picked up the phone like, coming back, eh? Yeah, I'll come back tomorrow morning. Why are you laughing? It's because I won a bet with the principal. He thought it would take some more years before you would decide to come back. I told him he would come back like really, really quickly, and he came back in the time frame I proposed. I won the bet. So much money. You wanna share some of it? You're the reason I won it.
悔いはない。
なんで入れる
Because of his potential as a vessel. Oh, wild.
結界内からの耐性を上げるほど、外からの攻撃に弱くなる。無料空所や自閉エンドン下のように、相手を領域に引き入れた時点で勝ちが確定するとなればなおさら。
The fact that domain expansion, because it is such a good trap for those trapped inside, that it is weak from exterior attacks, crazy wild that theory is, and I am here for it. I don't know how much sense it would make considering that if you're trapped from internally, you're also trapped from externally. It is the same amount of barrier. But you know what? Wild. Does that mean Gojo's domain expansion can also be broken from outside? Ooh, I would love to see something like that happen. Maybe it would be Geto who does it. We don't know. We'll find out eventually, I guess. Let's go. Though he would be pretty stupid to not trap Geto inside his domain expansion if he ever does end up in a 1-on-1 fight with him.
虎杖君のうちには触れてはいけないものがある。言ったはずだぞ。二度はないと。
Yo, that was wild. It wasn't even like how I was theorizing that he might end up in desperation trying to change Yuji's soul. That is what is going to give us that 101 Sukuna versus Mahito conversation and fight. And like not even a fight at this point, just a bare dismissal of it all, if you will. But it is wild that it ended up happening because Yuji entered the domain expansion of Mahito, and that is what led to Sukuna showing up and being like, bitch, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? Mahito is probably like, I didn't even do anything. I left him outside. He came in. It's his fault. I don't care. I still got pulled in. I don't have time for this nonsense. I'm watching my favorite show. Seeing Itadori suffer. You disrupted it. It's your fault. Die. Crazy nonetheless. I liked it a lot.
やつ以外は心底どうでもいい。
I don't know what wild fascination he has with Megumi, okay? I do not like it. I do not care for it, okay? I'm being completely honest. Maybe you should have a deeper fascination with the fact that Yuji can swallow these many of your fingers and still be an amazing vessel and medium. Huh? Why do you care about Megumi? Leave that poor boy alone. Leave everyone alone. No, actually don't. You kind of got rid of Mahito, so never mind. Still hate you though. You know what is Yuji's curse and a blessing for all the other students? Every school he visits, he ends up breaking that school. Kids might end up getting so many holidays just because the school is getting renovated. He's like a dream come true for all those kids, okay?
なんだこの手応えのなさは。バイバイ。また楽しかったよ。
Listen, I don't care for him, okay? But that bye-bye was so hilarious. Bye-bye. This was fun. I should really become a voice actor. Crazy that was.
動く。本丸が排水溝から逃走しました。私といた地点から東南に向けてしらみつぶしにお願いします。
Oh, is Inokun the one in the gutters who was cleaning up all those experimented humans? Please get rid of Mahito. I don't want to see this bitch again. I'm pretty sure we are going to see him again.
スクナが出たのではなく、奴が入ったんです。
じゃあ助けたのは俺じゃない。ならせめて正しく死んでほしい。
Oh, this is such a good dilemma to present Yuji with. I love that because his whole intention was to give people proper death. But also at the same time, I do think that by getting rid of tortured and experimented humans, he is mercy killing them, so he is essentially giving them proper deaths. Could be a conversation Nanami can have with him is all I'm saying, okay?
正しい死って何？
そんなこと私にだってわかりませんよ。善人が安らかに、悪人が罰を受け死ぬことが正しいとしても、世の中の多くの人は善人でも悪人でもない。死は万人の執着ですが、同じ死は存在しない。それらをすべて正しく導くというのはきっと苦しい。私はお勧めしません。
You know what? I thought he was honestly going to be like, I don't know what that means and like leave it at that. But his straightforward, monotonous response is, I think, exactly what Yuji needs right now. Like, not something that is super emotionally motivated, but something that's like, here are the facts. This is what I'm telling you. It's going to be super chaotic and you can't let that be the motive behind why you're doing this work. If you do, you are going to keep getting demotivated multiple times on this journey, and that is not something I recommend. Considering the fact that I quit and came back to this job, okay? So like, maybe find a different motivation.
などと言っても、君はやるのでしょうね。 死なない程度にしてくださいよ。
学校辞めて引っ越したんだろ、あいつ。もうよくね。
吉野の心を殺した罪を一生背負って生きていくんだ。
Nah, you killed him proper. Okay, it's not even just killing of his heart. Y'all crazy. This is a little bit too late, eh? Honestly, I get the intention. It's like trying to ensure that this doesn't happen in the future and all of that jazz. But I am pissed for Junpei is all I am saying. Y'all suck.
あいつを殺すまで、もう俺は、負けない。
Yes, I'm here for it. While I would have loved for Mahito to end up dying in this episode, I am kind of glad that he didn't, because we are going to end up seeing a more epic fight later on where I don't think Yuji will have to depend on Sukuna at that point in time to get rid of Mahito, and I'm here for it. Let's go! Also, he is in Jujutsu High right now, right? So, are we going to end up finally meeting Megumi and Nobara and the other second year classmen and be like, not dead yet, bitch. Let's throw a celebration. Oh, we can't because we have that exchange program. Never mind. I'll show you how awesome I've gotten. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. See these new holes all over my body? I got it in a fight with a special grade. Have you ever fought a special grade? Huh?
たかな。
伏黒って自炊すんのね。意外でもねえけど。
Not them using the panda as a heater, if you will. Crazy. Also, the way Panda was eating that meatball, okay, it was genuinely like how I would feed my doggies. And they're just like, yeah, whatever. Okay, just put it in my mouth so I can eat it. Crazy.
いや、これは虎杖に教わった。伏黒でも作れるよ。教えたから。
That was boyfriend conversations, okay? Literally, you can't even tell me that I am wrong at this point. They both thought each other fun, cool recipes to make and eat. If they ever miss each other, shut up with that nonsense. I am here for it. Okay, with that being said, a super fun episode. I am enjoying it. Let's move on to the next episode. But before we do, if you are enjoying my content as much as I enjoyed Mahito's weird ass strategies, his domain expansion, and Itadori's will and strong sense of pushing through with brute strength to win over his opponents, feel free to check out my Patreon where you get early access to as well as extended cuts of the shows that I put on YouTube. Plus you get to cheer me on and support me so that I can keep creating fun content for you guys to enjoy. With that being said, let's move on to the next one. Let's go.
そうか、スクナに触れて分かったけど、とりあえずゲトウのプランを軸に進めていいと思う。
And I guess that was Geto's intention as well, that, hey, you know what? I know you all won't believe me or trust me with this plan, so do whatever you need to do. Get it out of your systems, and once it's done, once you realize that what I'm saying is the right approach for this plan, we can all work together at that point in time. But yeah, get it out of your systems. Don't believe me. Don't take my word for it. Do what you need to do. Do what you do.
指をすべて集め、少なに献上するか。
So my theory that they're literally making Itadori's job easier at this point stands, eh?
じゃあ、まず、光線の保有する6本の指を回収するよ。
They have 6 fingers? Why? Wait, how many does that mean? Does that mean 10 fingers? Yuji had 1 at the start of the show. Then he had another one that Gojo gives him. Then he eats one during the Cursed Womb arc. He doesn't eat the one that was found in Junpei's house. So I'm thinking they're counting that finger in as well. Still, that's almost 9 fingers. Wild!
取り込ませるのは全ての指を揃えた後さ。例外を除いてだけど。すぐ食べさせたい
You know what? As a strategy, that does make sense. Why give him 1 finger at a time when you can give him all of them fingers together and then exercise Sukuna in one quick go if he does end up taking over completely over Yuji's body. But at the same time, I think if you give him 1 finger and then let him rest, there is more chances of Itadori being able to manage that finger and the energy that comes with it. But yeah, why take chances, right? Like, just give it to him all in one quick go so that also not him being like, hey, you know what, even if the higher ups are having this really wonderful strategy that they have already approved and all of that jazz, Gojo is one crazy fellow. He's going to end up giving them all to Itadori whenever he can. He's going to sneak them all out and keep feeding Itadori 1 finger at a time at the randomest points possible. So like, it's better if we retrieve it as opposed to leaving it with them. Fun. Then they can cause more chaos while they're spreading the fingers around so that more cursed energy is created, more curses are born, and Yuji can find them that way. Wild.
政教分離について語ろうぜ動画上げて炎上しようぜ
Rage baiting 101, okay, this is called. He's like, I haven't caused enough chaos in a while now. Let me cause it.
五条悟の大好きなところで山手線ゲーム全部
What a wonderfully narcissistic character, okay? I am here for him. You know what? Let's not call it narcissism. Let's call it what it is. Confidence. That amount of self-confidence is what I want. I mean, I already have that. I keep roaming around every day and whenever I glance at myself in the mirror, I'm like, what's up, cutie? If nothing else, Nanami is getting entertained while he reads newspapers, okay? Like a proper Asian dad. He's like reading newspapers. There's TV or some kind of entertainment going on around him. That's a perfect morning if you ever will.
今の虎杖君には、そういうバカさが必要ですから。
指は
ちゃんと上に提出しましたよ。あなたに渡すと、虎杖君に食べさせるでしょう。
I'm so glad that was his reaction. I was kind of hoping for, why are you so clever? Should have given it to me nonetheless. But he just went, Tch.
なあなあ早くみんなのとこ行こうぜ
Listen, honestly, because he's so excited, I have a feeling that they're going to end up punching him or something, okay? The second they see him, their first reaction is them punching him. And then being like, you're here. We thought we finally got rid of you or something like that. Internally, they'll be squealing with joy. Externally, they'll be like, you're back, huh?
ワクワクワクワク
That's Anya reincarnated, okay?
死んでた仲間が2月後実は生きてましたなんて術師やっててもそうないよやるでしょサプライズ最終的に地球温暖化も解決する
Gojo heard Nanami say Yuji needs this kind of idiocy in his life right now and he took it to a whole another level. I am here for it. Watch it flop. Watch it flop.
僕の言う通りにしろ流れるままにだから何したらいい
何ってこれから京都でしょ
Poor girl, okay, she was excited for a fun trip. Instead of being a tourist, she has to play a tourist guide at this point. I feel sorry for her.
去年勝った方の学校でやんだよ。
Not her being like, maybe you should lose for a change. Have you ever thought about that? What about me getting the opportunity to sightsee? That is more important than winning, you losers. Lose next time.
私出張で海外に行ってましたねこれからお土産を配りたいと思います
So you all know how I went on a business trip this year. I bought a bunch of souvenirs. Here's some cookies I found. Here's some cake I found. Here's Itadori Yuji I found. And this really good noodles that I found on that journey. You all want to try some? No, wait, hold up. What did you say? What did you say? What was that? Say that again. About the cake? No. About the cookies? No, about Itadori Yuji. Oh yeah, that's right. I found him. He's right here. Do you want to try some cake nonetheless? Box opens. Itadori Yuji pops out.
はい京都のみんなにはとある部族のお守りをはい夫人の虎杖裕二くんです
Lama, what if they all thought he was like a pop-up doll or something like that? Just a weird idea of a prank. Are you sure you're alright, Satoru? Megumi is going to be like, idiot should be the word that is used to reference Satoru from next time around.
全然嬉しそうじゃないびっくりして死んじゃったらどうしようかと
I was worried you would die from shock. Are you dead yet? Dang it, you didn't die. Should have made it more pompous, huh? Hey, Itadori, maybe turn into Sukuna for just like 2 hot seconds before you come back. He'll like that. He'll end up dying. I am here for it. Do it. I'm pretty sure Sukuna would agree too. Some entertainment in his life. If nothing else, just tell him that Megumi would absolutely enjoy the sight of this principal dying. Do it!
生きてること黙っててすいませんでした
飛ばすの多いチームに軍配が上がる。
Maybe tell them how many points each grade curse carries so that they might get a bit more hyped up and motivated. Do it. I would ask that. I kind of get the reason behind the curses revolting, okay? The curses are being used as playthings at this point.
相手を殺したり、再起不能の怪我を負わせることのないように。
He says as he has Gojo in an absolute chokehold, okay? Wild.
許してやれって。
パンダが喋った死ねっつったら相手死ぬってこと
Yo, no wonder he spoke. I thought he could only speak in onigiri toppings and that was his thing. But then during that weird ass episode where the other school people were bullying these kids, he did speak. I was like, that's crazy. What's going on here? And it's just the fact that if he asks someone to do anything, they'll follow through. I'm not saying anything.
強い言葉を使えばでかい反動が来るし。
で先輩はなんで喋れんの新種のパンダとか
Baby boy, he's the only one on your side, okay? Just maybe like take it down a few, ask it in a bit more of a calmer way. But hey, you know what? Understandable shock. They weren't shocked by his appearance. There was a quota of shock that needed to be filled in this episode. He's filling it up. I'm here for it.
戸様返せよ。サトルに借りたろ
Okay, yeah. About that blade, you see, I kind of broke it. Ask Nobara, it's her fault.
壊した。帰ってこねえ。校長先生が持ってるよ。
You know what? It's fair at this point, okay? Blame Gojo. What are they gonna do? Fight their teacher? I mean, they probably will, but hey, fair. He left him hanging here.
殴る、蹴る。
そういうの間に合ってんだよな。
The panda essentially called him useless, okay? I'm here for it. Maybe Megumi can pair up with him.
東京校、京都校。全員呪力なしで戦い合ったら、虎杖が勝ちます。
Not his boyfriend hyping him up.
さっきの虎杖の死は自死だと聞いておる。
While that his death was considered as suicide, considering the fact that he was essentially murdered by Sukuna. So like, hey, but it's a good thing that they don't know, because if they did know that, they would be like, oh, so Sukuna could kill him anytime he wanted to. That's dangerous. Let's get rid of him. That would be more convincing.
スクナが出てこなければただの一回生だ。くだらん。勝手にやってる。
I didn't really care for Todo, but I am here for him being like, this is bullshit. I don't want to be a part of it.
ただし、次俺に指図してみろ。殺すぞ。
マジでやんの？私は嫌だ。
Listen, blue-haired girl, if you don't want it, just say it. Just let them know that I don't want to be a part of this sayonara. You can do whatever you need to do. I ain't doing it. They might hate you, they might isolate you, but at least you're not doing something that you don't want to do. Peer pressure only works when you're around said peers.
高専に所属する呪術師の中に、虎杖裕二のような半端者がいるのは有識事態だ。
Bro, all you've heard about him at this point are rumors, okay? Like, kind of wild for you to go, oh yeah, leaving a half-wit like him alive is a serious problem. What do you care, bitch?
鴨家着流として見過ごせん。
It goes to show how much disdain and disgust people have around the fact that Yuji, who's eaten a cursed object, is now roaming around as a Jujutsu sorcerer. Really kind of highlights a bit more of the point that Mei was making in episode number 8.
京都側の調査を歌姫に頼みたい。
私が内通者だったらどうすんの？
ないない。歌姫弱いし、そんな度胸もないでしょ？
She literally threw that glass of hot tea at him, eh? Wild. If it weren't for his infinite thingy, that would have been scary, okay?
怖っ。ヒスは持てないよ。
Hysterics? Did you just use that word, my boy? You know what? Punch him. Throw as much hot tea at him as you can. I know it won't really do anything, but do it. If not, hold him in a chokehold. Do something.
大丈夫か？
おう、なんか大役っぽいけど、なんとかなんべ。
Megumi's asking him about if he's doing okay after, dying and coming back 2 months later. Itadori is like, you mean the fact that everyone in the Tokyo faction is using me as a bait to distract the Kyoto faction? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm happy to be bait.
そうじゃねえ。何かあったろ。
は？なんもねえよ。
Shut up, did you figure that out? He's like, my boyfriend's emotional levels are not what they were before he died, and it's not because of the fact that he's just come back from the dead. I know something's wrong. What happened? Tell me. Did you end up losing someone or something like that? Wild for him to clock that so easily. Oof. It's like you're being extra happy, which makes me super suspicious.
あった。けど、大丈夫なのは本当だよ。そんじゃまあ、勝つぞ！何仕切ってんだよ！
Merlin, I thought someone kicked him from back, okay. They did, but I thought it was someone from the Kyoto faction. Wild. Well, this was a fun episode overall. I am hyped about where the show is going right now, and I can't wait to see more. Let me know down in the comments what you thought about these 2 episodes, my reactions and my theory, and I shall see you in the next one. Until then, like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye. Take care. Toodaloo.